What are we doing right now?
We're gonna, we just ate dinner.
You have dinner?
Yeah, we just
What
had,
did you have?
I think I had apples and macaroni and cheese. I didn't finish my macaroni and cheese, so I had a couple. You ate all of the rest.
Yeah. What did you have to drink?
Hot cocoa.
What?
Hot cocoa?
Whoa. Are we about ready to go back outside?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Is it windy?
Yes, it is.
Are you gonna go snowboarding?
Yep. I'm sure are, but I don't know if the snow's gonna stop.
Is that your snowboard way over there, outside, on the ground?
Yeah, that's mine.
Is it?
Way up there. Yep. See? Right there.
Well, it looks windy out there, huh? Are you gonna go back out there?
Yep. So I'm gonna have to put my black clothes on.
Bye-bye. She just went the whole way without falling. First time ever. Emma! You went the whole way without falling. Wow!
Daddy, your hand.
It's cold, but did you go the whole way down without falling the hill?
Yeah.
How fun was that?
Good.
You ready to go up the tunnel again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Through the tunnel?